Welcome to NWOW, where every day is a celebration of family, community, and togetherness. We showcase and commemorate the most important bond, family. At NWOW, we believe that family goes beyond the home. It thrives and extends in our outlets, where we create meaningful connections and work hand in hand in providing excellent services for everyone. Here, every smile, every conversation, and every shared and cherished moment strengthens the ties that bind us all. From our reliable electric vehicles to our committed employees, NWOW is here to help every customer move forward, ensuring comfort, safety, and convenience in every ride. Hear from our beloved customers who have trusted NWOW to be part of their daily lives. From their everyday ride to endless drives, NWOW vehicles have made each journey special.
To NWOW e-bike company, Calamba City, Laguna branch. From Narciso J. Paner Jr., NWOW customer. Dear Sir, Madam, I hope this letter finds you well. This letter of appreciation is hereby given to NWOW company for your humanitarian gesture towards one of your customers whose house, together with NWOW e-bike, was tragically gutted by a huge fire on June 16, 2024. The management's concern in replacing his burned NWOW e-bike is a sign of your immense and genuine compassion. Your thoughtful action has not only provided significant relief to the affected customer, but also demonstrated your dedication to the well-being of your clientele. God bless you, along with your loyal and trusted men and women who make up the esteemed NWOW company. Thank you very much. Warm regards, Narciso J. Paner Jr.
Together, we are more than customers and employees. We are family. And every day we celebrate that bond and togetherness, which is built and developed at NWOW outlets and carried forward in every customer's journey with us. Join the NWOW family today, and let's continue building bonds that move us toward a brighter, more connected future. Together, let's forge stronger bonds and enrich the lives and memories we have. The best is yet to come. Forging stronger bonds, enriching lives and memories.